We'll guide you through how to buy a domain on Namecheap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website by typing namecheap.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar right on the homepage. Type in the domain name you're interested in purchasing and click the search icon or press enter. Namecheap will show you if your desired domain is available, along with other domain extension options. If your preferred domain is available, click the Add to Cart button next to it. If it's not available, don't worry. Namecheap will suggest alternatives that might work for you. Once you've added the domain to your cart, you can click on the VIEW cart button at the top right of the page. In your cart, you'll see the domain you selected. Here, you can choose the registration period, usually starting at 1 year, and decide if you want to enable any additional services like Whois protection, which helps keep your contact information private. After reviewing your cart, click on the Confirm Order button. Now, you'll be prompted to either log in to your existing Namecheap account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to either log in or register. Once logged in, you'll proceed to the checkout page where you can enter your payment details. Namecheap accepts various payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal, so choose what works best for you. After entering your payment information, review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Then click the Pay Now button to complete your purchase. You should receive a confirmation email shortly afterwards to confirm your new domain registration. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased a domain on Namecheap. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.